So now let's see how we can work around with layer opacity inside of GIMP. So over here you can see that on the layers section, you can see that this is what you have. So if I were to go around onto, let's say, move tool, I can move around the layer wherever I want. And right now the layer is opaque. That means whatever you see right here is not transparent. So if you want to go around and then make it transparent, you can use the opacity right here. So you can go around and decrease this right here, and you can see it now. You can start seeing the background right here. That means it starts becoming transparent over here. So if you have multiple layers over here, you can go around and make layer transparent as well. For example, I'm going to go around over here and I'm going to take this layer for example, and then I'm going to go around, press Ctrl C, and then I'm going to select this layer and press Ctrl V right here. So once I go around and do that, you can see that the information is in this layer. So if I were to move this, you can see that this is what you have. So now you can see that it is a bit transparent. You can see behind right here. That is because the opacity is 85%. If I were to make it 100%, then you cannot see anything, as you can see. But if I were to decrease this right here, then you can see the opacity level just like this, as you can see, and there's double opacity right here. You can see that it is transparent, and you can see beneath it just like this. And that is how you can work around with layer opacity inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.